Seminar synopsis: the canary in the coal mine, vulnerable lower-class citizens, as indicators of socioeconomic, financial health, and precursors to financial crisis.
Okay, answer me this. How is it physically possible that every single area in my life all try to interfere with my income, my bank accounts, my social media, my OnlyFans, Pornhub, all of them? Every single thing that I use regularly all started to interfere with my life in the same period of time. Like in the same 2 weeks, all of a sudden, all of these places are gonna start deleting my videos, destroying my content, deleting my bank accounts. All of these things are happening all at the same time across all these different places. Like, don't they understand what a heat score is? Like, what is heat? Heat. It's like if you piss somebody off and that person immediately retaliates, right? Well, even if that person didn't want to be caught, it's going to be most likely reduced to that person because of it's like hot pursuit, or what is the word I'm looking for? It's like when you hit a bee's nest. I use this analogy all the time. It's like cause and effect, right? So, I showed them all these details of where I'm going to go with this private prosecution. I told Justin Trudeau that I'm going to basically prosecute him until he rots in jail. And then right after that, or somewhere after one of my emails, I don't know if it was that one in particular, but I've been sending him a lot of emails lately. And so somewhere along the lines, after one of those nasty emails I have to write, because we have such a corrupt government, and I don't want to be dealing with this either. This isn't even my job. I'm not even getting paid for this bullshit. But someone has to fucking do it. Someone has to hold these people accountable. And so, so poor me. I'm trying to hold these people accountable. And what do? Mafia bullshit. Like, I mean, come on. Like, Trudeau, like, you want to basically indict yourself by asking every single place in my life to interfere with my ability to survive. It's literally been the same thing every single time I've gotten under your skin or made you feel threatened because of your own actions. Like, I don't threaten you. I threaten you with your own actions. I say to you, I'm going to use everything you do and say against you in a court of law. And that just upsets you so much that you have to retaliate. But it's like right on the heels every single time. And it's always the same thing. He's just so amateur. Like, I don't know, maybe he's just like traumatized, maybe he's trying to think about like what would really hurt me. And he thinks back about when his daddy grounded him and took away everything. And, maybe he thinks that is going to hurt me. But bitch, I was born with nothing, okay? I was born with nothing.